We are surprised with an offer coming through the Rwandan Inspector General of Police that they intend to be training Malawi Police Service. We are surprised because in the first place, government has not come out in the open to say there is an area that requires capacity building. Secondly, Rwanda has not publicly said what sort of area is our police lacking or requiring capacity building. We are also surprised because the human rights record of Rwanda is nowhere near a model for a thriving democracy like ours to learn from. This is coming barely months after government issued a directive that all the asylum seekers and refugees should relocate to Zareka camp. We don't want to think that that directive was politically sponsored. Secondly, this is also coming against a background that Rwanda is in the habit of literally hunting those people that are seeking asylum and refugee status in other countries like Malawi. We would like to reiterate our position that these people that are coming here as refugees and asylum seekers, they are coming here in search for peace. Peace that they cannot find in their own native countries. Listening to Danny Manyuza, the Inspector General of Rwandan Police, he is saying that doesn't see a reason why Rwandans should come to Malawi as asylum seekers and refugees. But as I'm talking to you now, a simple check on the internet tells you that in Rwanda there is excessive use of force on the part of the state agencies like the police, arbitrary arrest and detention. There is no freedom of expression in Rwanda. Bloggers, in short, are not recognized as journalists. Human rights activists and opposition political party leaders, they have been silenced through imprisonment that is coming as a result of trumped up charges. Now, given that kind of situation, I don't think that Rwanda is a model to train our police services. It was assuring listening to our Inspector General of Police, and we'd like to commend him when he told the visiting Inspector General of Police in the face that they are going to provide safety and security to the property and lives of Rwandans that are living in the country, and they will not be forced to go back. Much as we agree entirely with that one, we are advising Malawi government to desist from jumping onto offers that are coming from well-wishers whose anterior intentions are not clear. It is clear the Amnesty International, the Human Rights Watch, and the US government have listed Rwanda as a country where human rights abuse the order of the day. So whatever the visiting Inspector General of Police is saying, it is quite contrary to what is on the ground. That said, we are surprised but not amused that this offer is coming when the dust has not yet settled on President Lazarus Chakweda's attempt to slide back the country to dictatorship, if you factor in the newly introduced draconian laws. It's not too late. That government should stop. As Malawians, we think we don't need any support from Rwandan police, let alone any country that is showing trends of dictatorship. We need to preserve our hard-earned democracy. But government and the Malawi Police Service should desist from attempts that would make refugees and asylum seekers live in panic. These are human beings that have basic human rights that ought to be protected and promoted all the time.